G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'll be installing a rear disc brake protector to the KTM 350. So let's get started. Okay, this is an RHK rear disc brake protector. It goes on your disc brake or next to your rear disc brake, so it stops it from rocks or anything, logs hitting the disc brake and bending your disc brake, and so it gives protection to the disc brake. So let's just install this and see how we go. Okay, first thing to do is remove the rear wheel so we can get access behind this slide for the brake. Now with the rear wheel removed, we can slide this slide up and down to get it into the position that we require. Okay, the disc protector comes with 3 bolts. They're like an Allen key type bolt. They need to be removed so that this can split into half. Now with this in half, we need to get this piece to slide into the gap on the slide, and then this piece will join back on. Okay, this piece here has a groove which goes in this slide area, and you're supposed to just slide it up a little bit, get that piece in, and the other piece just clicks in like that. But I had a problem, and I'll show you what my problem was. Okay, with the brake slide off, you can see that there's a groove that goes here that the slide slides onto the swing arm with. And the piece here joins onto there, and then it bolts on. So it slides in like this. Now I had a problem. This piece here sticks out too much, so I've had to angle grind a piece of the steel away, or the aluminium away, so that it will go over this bulge section here, because it wouldn't fit on. So now it will fit on. Okay, now with it in place, we can reattach this piece here and bolt it together. Okay, this piece here doesn't seem to marry up properly too. I'll need to grind a little piece off of that. You can see here where it's just too tight, so I'm going to have to just shim a little bit of it off so that it will slide in better. So far with this RHK disc brake protector, they're a little bit out on their machining or their measurements, and it doesn't quite fit 100%. Okay, I don't normally whinge about much stuff, but RHK, you've got to get your act together on this. This doesn't fit the product. This is the one for my bike, but it doesn't fit properly. Your machining's out or your measurements are out somewhere. I'll just show you what I've had to do. Okay, I've already had to notch this one out so it would fit over this piece here and fit in. And this piece that goes on the inside that just hooks on there and around here, I've had to take material away from here. I've also had to shave a fair bit off this piece here because it doesn't run the same shape here, and now this piece does fit, so I can actually put it together now. But yeah, not good enough. You shouldn't have to do that when you buy. You're paying top dollar for this. It was almost $80. For $80 I want it to fit straight away, not have to get an angle grinder onto it and take material away so I can make it fit. So we'll continue on now with installing this not so good disc guard. Okay, I'll put this disc slide back in. Now that's in there. Slide this disc protector back in, up in here. Now that's in. Now I can put this newly machined piece in here. And I think I'll just put a little bit of Loctite on these so that they don't unwind. Okay, just a tiny little bit of Loctite on each one, just so they don't back off. Now to tighten these bolts up nice and tight so the disc guard is secured correctly to this disc slide. I wouldn't tighten them too tight. It is only going into aluminium. Okay, now that disc guard's secured to the disc slide will still go up and down. So now, time to reattach the wheel. And don't forget to tension the rear wheel nut, which is that 59 foot-pound torque. Okay, so this is the RHK rear wheel disc protector, which will protect the disc from impacts. Now, yeah, it did take a bit of fitting and a bit of playing around, so RHK, you've got to have a re-look at your tooling or your measurements or whatever it is you do, because I had to muck around with it, and when you're paying good money for something, you shouldn't have to do that. Hey, watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.